Hello to all the engineering students out there. My name is Nat McCormick, and I am the Director of Armament and Electronic Systems here at McCormick Stevenson. So a little background about our company. Our home office is here in Clearwater, Florida. We have about mid-40s in terms of number of employees, and we've been in business for over 20 years here in the Tampa Bay area. So McCormick Stevenson is organized into two business units, one being Armament and Electronic Systems, which we call AES, and then one being Manufacturing Test Systems, which we call MTS. So both AES and MTS are focused on serving the defense and aerospace industries. So we're typically working for large prime contractors or sometimes directly for a component of the Department of Defense. And we're very passionate at McCormick Stevenson about providing for the needs of our men and women in uniform. So we like to say here at McCormick Stevenson that we serve America's heroes as only engineers can. So you're probably listening because you're interested in stepping up and being engaged in an engineering internship. I think that's a fantastic idea, and we have always been very involved in the local community and had as many as half a dozen interns on staff at certain times. So you're in the right place. So at McCormick Stevenson, we love mentoring both interns and our staff on hand. So we have a culture centered around continuous learning and kind of providing the highest quality that we can to our customers. So our internship program consists of a rigorous immersion into our business and engineering processes for a semester or even beyond. So we really like to challenge our interns with real engineering problems, and we really seek to expand our interns' knowledge beyond the classroom. So we have very high expectations for our internship candidates, and we understand that this program might not be for everyone. At the end of the semester, we like to meet with our interns and talk about how everything went and talk about what the future might hold, whether that's here at McCormick Stevenson or what we might be able to do to help you out for the remainder of your career. So we really like to expose our interns not just to the engineering side, but also to the business side in general, because we believe that to have a successful career, you really need to understand both things. You need to know how the technical engineering works and also the business and organization side of how things get done. So we really will hire engineering students at almost any point in their school. So don't feel like you need to be a senior to apply, or think you got to take that one class to be relevant in terms of your internship experience. We would hire people and have hired interns as early sophomores, and it's really about finding the right person. So as I mentioned before, we're an engineering firm, so almost all of a lot of our staff are degreed engineers. We're predominantly mechanical engineers. However, we do have some industrial and electrical engineers sprinkled in there. But when we're looking for interns, we're really looking across multiple disciplines. So if you're a mechanical, an industrial, an electrical, or materials focused engineering student, whether you're in a department or not, definitely reach out to us. We're interested in engineering students in all of those disciplines. And again, what we're looking for is really highly motivated students that really want an engineering challenge and to branch out and get that experience that's outside of the classroom. So some requirements for the positions, just being based on the industries that we serve, we require that all of our interns be a U.S. person as defined by federal ITAR regulations. And if you're not familiar with that, if you just Google that, U.S. persons ITAR, you will find what the definition is for that. So if everything that I just mentioned excites you and describes you, please reach out to us. We'd really love to hear from you, and we'd really love to bring you in and fold you into our team here at McCormick Stevenson. So I look forward to connecting with all of you, and thank you for tuning in.